Hi boys and girls, and welcome to this week's Flips Learning for Maths. Before we start, you're going to need a few things. You'll need some paper, a pen, a number line, some makan, and some cubes. Don't worry if you don't have any makan at home. You can find some on the internet and print them out. This week, we're learning all about addition. How many words can you think of that mean addition? Pause the video and write a list. When you're finished, start the video again and see how many you got right. Let's see if you missed any. Addition means how many altogether. More. When we are adding, we are getting more. Sum. When we are adding, we are finding the sum of the two numbers. Add is short for addition. Plus is another way of saying adding. And total. When we are adding, we are trying to find the total. This is the sign we use for addition. It's also called a plus sign. Can you use your arms to make the addition sign with me? Like this. Can you say add? Well done. Can you say plus? Well done. You are fantastic. Remember, when we are adding two numbers together, we are trying to find the total. We are trying to find how many altogether. When we are adding, do you think our numbers are getting bigger or smaller? That's right, they're getting bigger because we are trying to find how many altogether. We are combining two groups and seeing how many we have in total. It's very important that you remember this, that when we add, our numbers are getting bigger. We are always counting forwards. Remember, we always use the plus sign when we're talking about addition, and we also use the equal sign for the total number or our answer. Equals also means the same as. When we take our two groups and we add them together, we find out how many that is equal to. Let's give it a go. Here we have two groups of camels. You can see the addition sign. This means we are adding. Our numbers are getting bigger. In our first group of camels, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 camels. In our second group of camels, we have 1, 2 camels. We are adding them together to find the total, or how many it is equal to. I wonder how we could find out how many altogether. Do you have any clever ideas? Maybe we could start by counting how many are in both groups without stopping. Let's count the two groups all together. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many camels are there all together? You're right, there's 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Let me just complete our number sentence. This is how we write an addition number sentence. 3 plus 2 equals 5. We have 3 camels in our first group. We use our plus sign because we are adding. We have 2 camels in our second group. We use our equal sign to show that we are finding the total. and 5 was how many we had all together. Well done for helping me. We used pictures and my fingers to help us add, but you can also use a number line to check your answer. Look at your number sentence and find how many are in the first group. That's right, there's 3. That means that we will be starting on 3. Can you get your number line and start with your finger on the number 3? We are adding 2, which means we are counting forwards because our numbers are getting bigger. Let's jump on 2 together. 1, 2. What number did you land on? 5? That's the same as me. Well done. You have to be very careful when you're using a number line that you don't skip any numbers with bigger jumps. You always have to make sure that you land on the next number. This is very important so that you can get the right answer. That was a nice easy sum to get us started on addition because we had pictures to help us. But there's lots of other things we can use when we are adding. We can use makan, cubes, and our fingers to help us solve addition sentences when we don't have any pictures. Let's try a trickier one, and this time we'll use makan. Can you help me read the number sentence first? 3 plus 4 equals. We know from our number sentence that we have 3 in our first group. Let's count and make sure I've put the right makan in place. 1, 2, 3. Great work. Plus 4. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Equals. I wonder how we're going to figure out how many all together. Maybe we could try by checking and putting the makan together and then counting how many in total. Can you help me count how many in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7, did you? Excellent, you must be very careful at counting. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Did you notice that our answer was bigger? That's because we're adding 2 groups together to find the total, to find the sum. I think we should check our answer using a number line, just to make sure we didn't make a mistake using the makan. Remember, we read our number sentence and start on the first number. 3. Find 3 on your number line and let's jump together. We're adding 4 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was very careful jumping. Well done. Did we land on 7? Yes! 3 plus 4 equals 7. Well done. Give yourself a butterfly clap. Now let's try an addition sum using cubes. Let's read our number sentence together. 4 plus 5 equals. I've added some cubes to help you, but if you have some at home, you could use them too. 4 cubes plus 5 cubes. We need to find how many all together. We can put the cubes together and count the total. I've added some cubes to help you. Here's our group of 4 and 5. Let's count how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cubes all together. Let's fill in our number sentence. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Let's check using our number line. Can you pause the video and try checking your answer on the number line by yourself? When you've finished, replay the video and we can do it together. Well, did you find it easy? Let's work through it together. 4 plus 5 equals 9. I'm going to start on 4 and I am adding 5. Remember, when we are adding, our numbers are getting bigger. We're always counting forward. So let's count forward together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you land on 9 as well? Well done. Give me an air high five. Now I think you're ready to try some addition sums of your own. Pause the video and give them a go. Remember, you can use makan, cubes, and your fingers to help you. You can also use a number line to check your answer. Good luck, and I'll see you next week. Bye!